Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore records from the recycle bin in Salesforce. If you've accidentally deleted important records or need to recover data that was removed, this process will help you retrieve those items quickly and get your information back where it belongs. First, locate and click the App Launcher icon in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This is the 9-dot grid icon that opens up your applications menu and gives you access to all the tools and features available in your Salesforce environment. Once you click it, a search interface will appear in the App Launcher search box that appears type Recycle Bin. This search functionality makes it easy to navigate directly to the feature you need without having to browse through multiple menus or settings pages. As you type, Salesforce will start displaying matching results from the search results that appear. Click on Recycle Bin. This will take you to the main Recycle Bin interface where all your deleted records are temporarily stored before permanent deletion. Salesforce keeps deleted items here for a specific retention period, giving you a safety net to recover mistakes. Now you'll see a list view dropdown at the top of the page. Click this dropdown and you'll have two important options. Select Org Recycle Bin if you want to see all deleted records across your entire organization from all users. This is particularly useful if you're an administrator recovering data deleted by someone else. Alternatively, you can leave it on My Recycle Bin to see only the records that you personally deleted. This choice depends on the scope of what you're trying to restore. Once you've selected the appropriate view, browse through the list to find the records you need to restore. Click the checkbox next to each record you want to restore. You can select multiple records at once if you need to recover several items, which saves time when dealing with bulk deletions. After you've selected all the records you want to recover, click the Restore button located on the top right of the screen. This action will immediately move the selected records out of the recycle bin and return them to their original location in Salesforce with all their associated data intact. Finally, to confirm that your restoration was successful, open the Original Object tab where those records belong. For example, if you restored account records, navigate to the Accounts tab, or if you restored contacts, go to the Contacts tab. Check that the restored records are now visible again in their proper location with all their information preserved. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted records from the Salesforce recycle bin. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.